Welcome to session 11 of the Science Revision Plan. Today we're looking at the biology topic, infection and control. Your first activity is to describe an illness caused by a virus, a bacterium, a fungi and a protist. Your second activity is to describe how the body keeps pathogens out. Now you could do this as an annotated diagram, and if you're a little person, and you can just annotate how pathogens get into the body. Your key words there: physical barrier, lysozyme, hydrochloric acid, earwax and mucus. Then your third activity is to describe how the immune response works. You need to include the three roles of the white blood cells. Again, if you want to do this as a diagram, a bit like a cartoon, that can be a good way to show it. Your key words are antibodies, antigens, engulfing and antitoxins. Your fourth activity is to describe how vaccines work. Your key words there are antigens, antibodies, primary and secondary response. And then finally, describe how and why medicines are tested. So your key words there are efficacy, toxicity, dosage, placebo and double-blind. You might want to draw your clinical trial out as a flow diagram, as it's a good way to describe how medicines are tested. So question 6, you need to describe why pathogens make us feel ill when they get into our bodies. And the key word there is toxins. And then question 7, describe how pathogens can be spread. So there's lots of ways in which pathogens can be spread, and there's a few key words there to give you a few ideas. You've got water, air, and don't forget about contact. Question 8, describe how bacteria can become resistant to antibiotics. And there you've got keywords mutation and natural selection. So this can sometimes come up in paper 2 as well, but it's worth knowing it for paper 1 just in case. And then finally, there's a bit of an ethics question. You need to be stating the advantages and disadvantages of vaccination. Why are so many people in favour of vaccination? Why are some people against the idea?